Hi there. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a mega menu using static blocks with the Elementor Page Builder. Enhance the user experience on your website with a visually appealing and sleek mega menu. Join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram channels, and visit our website. The first option is to manually create the mega menu, and it will include our menu list and banners elements. In the second option, we will demonstrate how to import content from our demos using XSTUDIO. This menu will include products. It all starts from the dashboard. Click Appearance, navigate to Menus, click Create a new menu. Then enter the menu name and click on Save Menu. The page will be automatically reloaded. Add several pages and custom links. Menu items can be renamed. Their order and hierarchy can be changed. This is how we create a regular drop-down menu for one of the main sub-items and save the changes. To show our menu in the header of the website, go to XStore Theme Options. Click Header Builder. Click Main Menu. Select the menu. If after selecting, the menu did not appear in the preview window, make sure that the main menu element has been added to the header content. Let's go to Dashboard, Static Blocks, click Add New. Enter title and click on Publish. After that, this block can be edited using the Elementor Page Builder. We will start by adding a section and then add any element from the Elementor plugin or one of our XStore elements. To quickly find the menu list element, we will use the search function. The menu list element is easy to use but very functional. In the General tab, you can customize the title column of the menu, content, and style, typography, colors, alignment, and padding. All of this can be changed according to your preference. The Items tab contains similar settings for sub-items. Sub-items can be removed or duplicated, customized to your liking and needs. We will duplicate our column. And now our basic mega menu is ready with 4 columns. Accents can be placed using the label for the menu item. It's time to assign the static block as a mega menu for one of the main menu items. To do this, we will go back to editing our demo menu in Appearance. Click Menus. If you hadn't closed Menus Settings tab, you will need to refresh the page for the newly created static block to become available for selection. On the right side of each menu item, there is 8 theme options. If these options are not immediately available on your site, they need to be enabled through Theme Options, General, and Find Theme Menu options. Click on the 8 theme options text for one of the main items. Note that the selection of the static block is not available for sub-items. The Menu Options window will open. Here we will select Design, Mega Menu, the number of columns, 4, and our newly created static block. It's time to save the changes and check the result on the front end. To add spaces, go back to editing the static block. Section Settings, Advanced, Paddings. Also, add a new section with 2 columns and place a banner and text in the middle. In the video, you can see one of the configuration options. After publishing the changes, check the result on the front end. Another way to create a mega menu is simpler, as it uses pre-created templates. Our XSTUDIO allows you to add almost any block seen in our demos, created using the Elementor Page Builder, to your website. Let's go to Dashboard, Static Blocks. Click Add New. Repeat the familiar algorithm of creating a static block. Among the icons in the editor, you will easily recognize our logo symbol X. XSTUDIO offers an extensive collection of over 700 blocks to enhance your website's design and functionality. If you see a smaller number of icons, XStore Studio needs to be enabled through Theme Options. General. We perform filtering by request Mega Menu. Quite a lot of blocks are in front of us. Preview and Import are available for each of them. After adding a block in the editor, you can adjust the settings of the elements to suit your requirements. Save the changes. Then go to Appearance. Menus. 8 theme options for menu item. The number of columns, 5 or 6. This affects the width of the Mega Menu, and select our newly created static block. Save the menu again and look at the result. The full width option for the Mega Menu can be found in Theme Options. Header Builder. Main Menu. Now you can stand out from the competition with a unique and visually appealing Mega Menu. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore Theme and join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.